everybody, so it is Jam to the Beat and I'm back with another video. But today's video is going to be a little different because I'm not coming to you with a makeup tutorial. I'm actually coming to you with a mini haul. First things first, I just want to give a disclaimer. This video is not sponsored. All the products that I'm going to show you has been bought with my own money, for the exception of a few products that I will let you know once we get to them. So today's video was inspired by this experience that I had the opportunity of going to last weekend. Morphe actually had their grand opening for the first ever Morphe store in New York City. Of course, you know, I had to go over there because they were nice enough to invite me to come to the grand opening and hang out with them and party with them, and I had a lot of fun, met a lot of cool people. And also shout out to my amazing husband who stayed with me all day, waited on the line with me, went and got food for me so I wouldn't faint because we did not eat all day. So shout outs to you, baby. So without further ado, enough of my rambling, let's just get straight into the video. So yay, this is the James Charles palette, his collaboration with Morphe, and this is the packaging. It is so simple, but it is so cute and like so chic. And on the back it just has like a little summary of his inspiration about creating the palette. Let's just open it up. So this is the packaging right here. I think it is so cute. Like this gloss, this matte black, and then oh my god, do not look at my finger. My nail thought it was cute to come off the day that I was getting ready to film, but it's all good. But like I was saying, the matte black and the glossy writing is a really nice touch. Here is the inside of the palette. It is so beautiful. On the plastic has all the names of the colors. I'm not gonna do a swatch because he does have a video about the palette and all the colors and his motive behind the whole palette and swatches of them. Honestly, like the whole palette to me, I'm just living for it. Like all the transition shades are so big, you can't get enough of these shades. You can't get enough of black. And for me, with this palette, you can create any single look. Like it has every shade. Like there's nothing you can't do. And another thing that I like about the palette a lot is that it actually has a lot of matte shades. Sometimes I get a lot of palettes and a lot of the colors that I would like to use are mainly shimmer, and I'm more of a matte girl. Most of the shades in here are matte. Like there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 out of 39 shades are shimmer. Most times like 13 out of 39 shades are matte. So that was a plus for me of why I wanted to get it. And this red right here, let me tell you, this red is the truth. I have never, since I've been doing makeup, I've never had a palette that has a true red. Like I've swatched it in the store, and when I tell you it's red, it is red. Most reds that I've used is either too purples, either too orange, is either too burgundy. This red right here is red. Like when I tell you this is red, this is red. Okay, I do believe that they have these in Ulta because I know as of right now on the Morphe site it is sold out. And also stay tuned because I will have some exciting looks coming up with this palette. So make sure that you're subscribed and you turn that notification bell on so that you don't miss an upload. So be on the lookout for those because those are coming up pretty soon. Okay, so the next product I want to talk about that I purchased is James Charles brush collection. Basically his brush collection is a combination of all of his favorite Morphe brushes, and he created a couple of brushes in the brush collection as well. Okay, so it comes in a tubby like this, a custom made tubby with his signature on it. It just says Morphe X James Charles, unleash your inner artist. And it just has these two clips that you just take off, and then you have your brush set. So basically he has multiple brushes, multiple of the same brushes in there, so it's like You don't have to, for example, if you have a blending brush, you have like an orange color on it and now you want to use a blue. Instead of having to clean that brush to get that orange off, you can just take another of the same brush and put the blue and just do what you got to do. So the first thing that got my attention, it comes with a beauty sponge. I go hard for beauty sponges. I don't care what anybody tells me. Nothing blends my foundation more flawless than this bad boy. My concealer, cream, contour, everything. Recently though, I have to admit, I have been using the M439. This brush right here, yes, it's dirty because I just use it to apply my foundation. Because most times I'm really in a rush, so I do not have time to sit there and blend it out with a beauty sponge. It's more time consuming, so using this brush actually helps me get it on really fast and boom, 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 blend it and go about your business. Not only do you have this beauty sponge, but in the brush collection, it actually has an M439. And for me, I could never have enough of these Morphe brushes. Like, I'm a Morphe fan. I've been a Morphe fanatic from day one, and this has been one of my holy grail products from them. So if you like sponges or if you like brushes, you have both choices right here. Apart from the beauty sponge and the tubby comes your brushes, and this is a 34-piece brush set. So these are all of the brushes. Like I was telling you about the M439, this is it right here. So for the brushes that have more than one in it, he packaged them all in one. So you will know which brushes come in more than one, if that makes sense. So this brush right here is the M431. This has two. The M224, which is my favorite concealer brush. I have like 5. So you can never go wrong with this. Like, you just can't go wrong with it. Like, I can't even say. Oh, and speaking of concealer brushes, look out for my eyebrow tutorial coming up right after this video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. You definitely will be seeing these bad boys in that video. Another multiple is the M152, which are just these. The M506, the M433 comes in 3. The M441 also comes in 3. The M250-1 comes in 2. The M456 comes in 3. And this is actually the brush that James Charles created himself with Morphe. He actually made this brush. This is not a part of the Morphe brand before this collection. He made this to include in his brush set. The M124, the M116, and that's all of the duplicates that you have alongside the other single brushes. Again, this is what they all look like. It is a whole bunch of them. Honestly, this is the first brush set that I can literally see myself using every single one of these brushes. I know there are some of y'all out there that have spent money and brought good quality brushes, brush sets, but you find yourself not even using half of the brushes that came in the set. And I'm telling you right now, this brush set right here, if you're somebody who's looking into like searching for a good brush set and that has all the brushes that you know you're gonna need, it's not gonna be a waste, I'm telling you, I'd rather pay $149 for this brush set than pay $149 for this, then pay $200 for a next set and $150 for another set. And this, no, save your money, get this. It is pricey, but it is worth every cent. This whole collection retails for a $218 value, and you're getting this for $159. You cannot beat that. You cannot beat it. Okay, I'm telling you right now, I've been there and I've done that. I've bought some brushes and I'm just like, I regret even buying this because I've used like 5, maybe the most, out of all of the brushes. So I'm telling you right now, I guarantee you every single brush that I'm showing you right here will be used. Okay, so make sure you go and check it out. The link will be in the description box below. Okay, so the next thing that I bought was the 8W Warm Master Blush Palette, and it looks like this. This is what it looks like. This is just 8 warm toned blushes that I'm really excited to use because I'm a sucker for coral orange tone, plum tone blushes. So I'm really excited to use this. These 3 items were a free trio gift set that I got with my purchase. So this right here is the 3A Smoky Palette, a brow setting gel, which I needed because my eyebrows are out of control. And this color pencil in the shade Dark Room. Wow, that's really black. And I actually got 2 of these because I made 2 separate purchases. So yeah. And the last product, but definitely not least, that I had to make sure I got was my continuous setting mist. I definitely cannot live without this. Between this and the Fix Plus, these are my holy grail setting mist, and I just had to re-up. I have one already, but I just had to make sure and grab it. So I just got that as well. So that is it for all of the Morphe products that I bought at the grand opening. But I have a little surprise in store. Right before I made the video, I got a package delivered to me that I was dying to get, and it just so happened to come right before I filmed this video, so I just decided to include it. This is what came in the mail. I got my package from Plouise Makeup Academy. If you don't know who these people are, you have been living under a rock, because this has been the talk of the town. I am actually really late on this bandwagon. I've heard about the long shipping and all that stuff, but I just decided to get it anyways because I wanted to be a part of the hype too. So I just wanted to give them a try, because regardless to how long it took for it to come, 3.5 weeks, just saying. I've always heard nothing but good reviews about them, so I just wanted to try them out myself and see how they work for me. And I bought all of the shades because you know your girl is extra. So this is Rumor 0, 0.5, 01, 02, Rumor 3, 4, last but not least, 5. So this is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's different from what you guys expected. I know you guys expected another makeup tutorial. I need you guys to get my very first video, which I will have linked below in the description box as well. I need you guys to get it to 500 views, and then I'll upload my next makeup video. But for now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment below anything you'd like to see me do. Feel free to share this video as well, and share my first one as well, so we can get that bad boy to 500 views so I can upload my next makeup tutorial. But until then, this is all for today, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.